heading to work. Early though. I'm not late. Wait. Oh. And we're in the city.
Yeah, I did.
It's like 41 degrees out here today. It's cold. I got my winter jacket on. Hello. You don't money. So, it's freaking cold out here. It's supposed to be fall, but it feels like winter. And I have on my winter coat because I'm not playing with this weather. Oh, I'm not the only one too. This lady right here in front of me. Other people pull out their winter coats already, even before I did. Because yesterday I had on a light jacket and it was freezing. I'm like, today, nope, not do today, because I don't understand why it's freezing already. That means we're gonna have a cold ass winter. That's what it means. That's exactly what it means. I'm still getting so cold so quick and we're not even in December yet. Yeah. We got December and January is gonna be freezing. Yeah, I'll make sure I'm prepared. Then again, you can never be prepared for New York weather, so whatever. Get up at 5. Inside. So warm in here. Oh. Morning. Thank you. I got the elevator open for me. Welcome. Oh, sorry. There you go. Add some water. Alright, off to work I go. So, the Justin clocked in. So every time I come in the morning, I gotta do a walkthrough. See if everything is secure. And usually people be here. I don't think nobody's here today. Unless they're working from home. Yeah, ain't nobody here today. But I'm just basically just walking around. I'm checking these doors. They're locked. And if they're not, I have to write it in my book. Security logbook. So this is the classrooms. This classrooms doors I'm checking. It's finally Thursday. It's almost Friday. My schedule is 9 to 5. Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. And all of the days. Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5. And on Fridays, 10 to 6. So yeah. It'd be boring. Ain't much to do. I don't really do much here. Just sit and do walkthroughs every hour. 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, so I'm on the 19th floor. There's another guard. She's on the 10th floor. I mean, the 18th floor. We gotta take turns every hour to go on the 10th floor. So that's basically my job description as a security guard. Yeah. This is why I be here killing time. Either I'm editing a video or I'm watching videos. Either one. Or I'm on TikTok or Instagram. No, people come in, they sign in. They gotta show me like a clear pass that allows them to come in. And then they gotta sign in. The inside of it. I have 2 staff here working right now. And then, you see? It's so warm in here. It's freezing upstairs, man. Sure. Go up. So freaking cold. I think the day is going by fast for me. It's already 12:30. It's already 12:30. I like that. Here's my lunch. Some baked chicken, rice and beans, avocado, and fried chicken. We really out here in our winter coats. cold like this morning, but it's still cold. Cause New York really have us out here in our winter jackets. Like we're in November. Like, about to go home. I'm trying to see if I should cook. I don't want to cook. I'm tired. Oh, I had these nuts in a minute. Forgot. I used to eat these nuts downtown. These nuts. I forgot the name of it, but it smells so good. Look at the nuts. I forgot the name of the nuts. I used to eat this downtown Brooklyn. I don't remember the name though, but it tastes good. In New York City. Jesus. Always in the damn city. Smell weed. Oh yeah, it's legal now, right? Smoking weed. Alright, I'm about to go to Bryant Park. I think they opened the I think they opened the skating ring. I'm just gonna go over there and get a little clip and then I'm out. Cause I'm not trying to stay out here in the cold. Hell no. But I'm trying to get a little vlog in. I'm trying to get it's a little bit cold out here. So I'm about to go to the ring and see what they have. Let me see. Let me see if it's open. It should be open because I saw a little the Christmas tree. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna just cut through here. I have little shops out here. The Christmas stuff.
No.
I think they're skating. Look. See? I came here last year and I did not know what the hell I'm doing. I don't know how to ice skate. Oh, anybody on there now? I don't know how to ice skate. Skating ring. Yeah, I said I came here last year and I could not skate to save my life. I don't know how to skate. Yeah, French woman. I'm trying to see what they're doing. Yeah, all this was not here the other day. They literally just put this up. S'mores. I never had s'mores. I'm not walking around though. We got the pops out here. Oh, look at the penguins. Oh, those are the stuff that we hold on to when you're skating. The penguin thing. I failed. I don't know how to ice skate to save my life. And I will never do it again to embarrass myself. Look. We got food. Yeah, these little stuff. $18 for ramen. Oh, nice in there. Just selling stuff. Everybody out here trying to make $1. I'm gonna wait until some people go in there and then I'll get a little clip and then I'll leave. So these little thing over there. They call. I see these. I see these. That's what they call these little things right here. I was just looking. Oh, it's an igloo. I think you could sit in there and have dinner or something. This is cool. Okay, so it's free ice skating, but you gotta bring your okay, Kimberly calling me. Hold on.